uh, there are two objects when moving, then it's possible that these two objects are moving in the same direction or they are moving in opposite direction. And as the two objects are moving, each will have its own speed. So let's A is an object or a person who is moving at a speed of a kilometer per hour. B is another person who is moving with a speed of b kilometer per hour. So as they are moving in same direction as arrow indicates, so they are moving in same direction. Now let's take the opposite direction example. Now A is a person whose speed is a kilometer per hour and B is another person whose speed is b kilometer per hour. And you can see through arrow they are moving in opposite direction. So whenever two objects are moving, I cannot take a one object speed. So I need to take the combination of both the speeds. So what should I do? So let's check the first case when the objects are moving in the same direction. Then A speed is a kilometer per hour, B speed is b kilometer per hour. Therefore, the relative speed, we call it as relative speed, A minus b kilometer per hour. Okay, so in other words, the difference of the speed of A and B if they are moving in same direction, and the term used is relative speed. What is the speed of A? A kilometer per hour. What is the speed of B? B kilometer per hour. What is the relative speed? A minus b kilometer per hour. Okay. The similar way, coming to the second example, when A and B are moving in opposite direction, what is their relative speed? The relative speed is A plus b kilometer per hour. In other words, the sum of the speed, this is a kilometer per hour and this b kilometer per hour, is a relative speed. So by observation, what I observe, when the objects are moving in the same direction, then the relative speed is the difference of their speed. When objects are moving in opposite direction, relative speed is sum of their speed. Therefore, in the first case, A minus b kilometer per hour, and the second case, A plus b kilometer per hour. Let's take an example to understand it better. That is B is 200 kilometer away from A. A's speed is 30 kilometer per hour and B's speed is 20 kilometer per hour. If both started at the same time, in the same direction, find the time after which they meet each other. Okay. What is the distance between B and A? 200 kilometer. And let's take that this A and here is B. I can call it as B is ahead of A by 200 kilometer. A speed is 30 kilometer per hour. B speed is 10 kilometer per hour. What is their relative speed? The relative speed is equal to 30 minus 20 because they are moving in same direction. So 30 minus 20, that is 10 kilometer per hour. How much time it will take for A to catch B? So time is equal to distance by speed we used to do. Now in this case, as both the object A, both the person A and B both are moving, therefore I will take relative speed. So distance by relative speed. What is the distance A has to cover to meet B? 200 kilometer. So my distance is 200 kilometer and the speed is relative speed, which is 10 kilometer per hour. So divided by 10, which is equal to 20 hours. So this is the time it takes. That means it takes 20 hours for A to catch B or to meet B. So is it clear? Okay. Now take another example for opposite speed. Here P and Q are the 2 points 200 kilometer away. A starts with 30 kilometer per hour from P to Q and B at 20 kilometer per hour from Q to B, both at the same time. After how many hours will they meet each other? Okay, so let's take the point, this point P and point Q. What is the distance between point P and Q? As given here, 200 kilometer. Okay, A starts from which point? Point P with a speed of 30 kilometer per hour. So I will take here A with a speed of 30 kilometer per hour. He starts from point P to point Q, whereas B starts from Q to P with a speed of 20 kilometer per hour. So this is Q. So B starts from Q with a speed of 20 kilometer per hour. At what time will they meet? That means A and B will meet. So the usual formula, time is equal to distance by speed. But as A and B both are moving here, I will take it as relative speed, which is equal to the distance between A and B is 200 kilometer and their relative speed, as they are moving in opposite direction, I should take this one, that is A plus B kilometer per hour. So A speed is 30 kilometer per hour, B speed is 20 kilometer per hour. Therefore A plus B, that is 30 plus 20, 50 kilometer per hour. So take the relative speed as 50. Okay. Now there's 5. So what is the time? Time is 4 hours. Now I think I could make it clear the relative speed when to take A minus B when the objects are moving in the same direction, and you have seen the example when to take A plus B when the objects are moving in opposite direction.